Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share with you some information about the Department of Urology at the Catholic University of Daegu School of Medicine, based in South Korea. Unlike many of you, I chose a lab outside of UNC in hopes of doing research and studying outside of the country. Today's topic, men's health. More specifically, how the Department of Urology at the University of Daegu School of Medicine is working to improve men's health. First off, what exactly is urology? In simple terms, it's a branch of medicine that deals with the urinary system. As you see in the top right, it's things like your kidneys and bladder, and even men's reproductive health, like the prostate and male fertility. Urologists are the doctors you would see if you had kidney stones, trouble urinating, prostate issues, or any male fertility concerns. The Department of Urology in Daegu is one of the leading centers in their region. They've been around for over 40 years and they treat people of all ages, from little kids with minor urinary problems to older men dealing with prostate issues. What's impressive is how active they are. They perform over 700 surgeries a year, which is a very high number, showing they have a lot of real world experience. Now, beyond just treating patients, the department is a leader in research and innovation. One big area they focus on is prostate cancer and how it relates to testosterone. Since prostate cancer cells often grow faster when fueled by testosterone, the doctors in Daegu research ways to control hormone levels, aiming to stop cancer without wrecking a man's overall health. Their studies look at how hormone therapy affects strength, recovery, and long-term health, which is super important for men who care about fitness, energy, and quality of life, including athletes and bodybuilders like myself. They don't just want to treat the cancer, they want men to stay strong during and after the treatment. Another super exciting part of their work is robotic surgery. They use a Da Vinci robotic system to perform surgeries with high precision. The surgeon controls the robotic arms to remove tumors through very tiny cuts. Why is this important, you may ask? The smaller the cuts means faster recovery, less pain, and fewer complications. When operating on the prostate, the robotic surgery helps protect important nerves, which means a much lower risk of problems like losing bladder control or sexual function after surgery. For anyone serious about fitness and staying strong, saving your organs and minimizing damage is a huge win. Besides cancer, the department researches other topics in men's health too. For example, they study how lifestyle changes like exercise and weight loss can improve sexual health issues. This shows how closely your overall health and fitness are tied to your reproductive health. When it comes to training future doctors, the Department of Urology is a leader too. They train medical students and young doctors using hands-on practice and simulation labs. Students don't just learn from textbooks, they actually assist in surgeries, take part in research, and get real-world experience under the mentorship of expert surgeons in hopes of bettering men's health. Another big strength of the department is their collaboration with other hospitals and universities, both in Korea and internationally. They share knowledge, research, and surgical techniques with doctors around the world, including places like Japan, Vietnam, and Europe. By staying connected globally, they make sure their patients get the very latest and best treatments. Finally, let's talk about their reputation. Their hospital was ranked among the top hospitals nationally by Korea's Ministry of Health. If you live in Daegu and you have a tough prostate cancer case or a complicated kidney tumor, this is the place people trust. They've earned that trust through decades of hard work, innovation, and putting the patient first. To sum it all up, the Department of Urology at the Catholic University of Daegu isn't just another hospital department. It's a place where advanced science, cutting-edge technology, and real care for men's health come together. For anyone passionate about fitness, bodybuilding, or simply just living a healthy life, their work around testosterone, prostate health, and surgical precision is making a real difference. Thank you all for listening.